Hello guys, welcome to another Forex trading video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will generate good profits using the Trendline breakout strategy in British pound versus US dollar, in which you will understand well all the processes from applying trade to trade exit. With this you can also understand the price action very well. I am applying trade as per my risk. See you guys a little later. Guys, right now our loss is around $1,000. We have $3,000 in this account, which has to grow with proper risk management. If we continue in this trade till the end, then we can generate good profit. Now let me explain the market trend to you here. We will first create a trend channel. The market was following a strong uptrend for the last 15 days, but now here the market cannot follow the uptrend because after a big move there is a pullback in the market. Due to this pullback, selling opportunity has been created here. Taking support on this trend line, the market has moved upwards, due to which higher low points have been created around this trend line. We'll try to connect all these points with trend line. We will connect the second trend line with the same angle at higher high points. Whenever the market has come near this trend line, we have seen reversal. The market was moving inside this trend channel for a long time. At this place the market has given a high volume breakout. Here the market is trying to move downwards very fast. Here the market created a larger breakout candle size, which gives us a signal that this is a high probability breakout. We will soon come into profit in this trade because right now the market is going towards the trend line to retest the trend line breakout. Here the market has broken another level and will retest it too. Let me draw and tell you. At this level the market has created multiple support resistance points. At this level we will see many reversal points. Here first the market took resistance, then I broke this level and created support. At this level we will see multiple resistance and support points. All these points are important. Now the market has broken this level, which was a strong level. High probability chance the market will go down from here as the market has broken the trend line as well as strong support resistance level. Here we have got double confirmation of sell trade, in which we are confident that the market will go below this level. Our technical analysis here is complete. Here my stop loss will be 20 pips above the strong support resistance level and slightly outside the trend channel. If this is a fake breakout, then our stop loss will be easily hit, and the target point will be 40 pips below, where the market will create lower low points of the current downtrend. We will hold this trade till our profit target. Guys, our loss has increased from $1,000 to around $2,000. We will never close the trade until the market hits the stop loss or target point. Guys, now we will remain patient in the trade. Our analysis is absolutely correct, due to which we are expected to be profitable in this trade. Here you will be easily able to see the stop loss and target point, which will give you an idea of where I will exit the trade. If we look at the market on a larger time frame, our sell trade will appear as a retracement. We need discipline in all trades so that we can follow the trading process properly. If we suffer loss in this trade, then it doesn't matter. Loss is a part of this game. We should never run away from loss. Losses should be managed well, only then you are a good trader. See you guys after some time. Till then, enjoy the video.
Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal heart impact, past painful scars. In fact I blast tasteful bars and pass. I back up my actions, fact don't ask, grab reactions, jacked attack with every word, then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused, call the shots and they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finally loose, pick a new silver excuse. I need the views to boost me to a new abuse of being.
Guys, killed the market. Our setup was perfect and we caught a good amount of movement. This trade was going on at a loss, but we were patient and followed the trading process properly. The market has given very good results. Big moves always come true only through patience in the market. Our stop loss was at a level where the market could not reach even after many efforts, and the target point was here, which has been hit a long time ago. The market is currently running 10 pips below our profit target. The market has respected our setup. Here we have full confidence that the market will move lower. We have drawn a strong level where the market retested the same level. Here I am drawing another level that is also a strong level. At this level the market has created multiple support resistance points, due to which the market has repeatedly reversed at one level. This is a strong support resistance level of the market. In future we can see reversal points again at this level. Now the market has broken this level downwards and sharp selling is going on. From here we can see a good move downwards. Our goal here has been achieved. Now we exit all the trades. Here I have followed all my rules properly. Guys, our profit is around $10,000. We had deposited $3,000 in this account, which has grown to more than $12,000. We have taken trades on this setup many times. This is our high probability setup, from which we can generate good profits again and again. Always practice the setup repeatedly so that you become a master in that setup. If you have learned something from this video, then please like and share the video. See you in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.